Hello everyone, today we have new unboxing and you can see that we are going to talk about this G413 silver keyboard from Logitech, and this is a fully mechanical keyboard which is quite interesting. As you can see, we have some spare keys. It is also features the additional USB, there are additional WSD buttons, and of course we have aluminium plate on the front. So it's, I would say, quite an interesting design. And as you can see, packaging is also sleek, I would say, quite nice for a simple keyboard. It's sealed with a tape, so if you don't have a seal, it means the keyboard was opened before you. But now we are going to cut through it. I'm opening it from the opposite side, and then we will check what is actually included in the package. So this is an interesting product because this keyboard is quite good for typing, not only for gaming, and it's not as loud as some other mechanical keyboards. So that's why I decided to get one for myself. So this is not a sample from manufacturer, I bought it in the shop, and that's why it is more interesting to see what is actually included in the real, let's say, sample. So here you can see the package. Keyboard comes in a special plastic bag so that it won't get any dust or any other possible issues whatsoever. And then we have this small box here, so let's open it. I guess it will contain all the additional accessories for this keyboard. So we have them in a quite narrow plastic bag. So we have special tool for key removal and also this additional keys, as you can see, WSD. Now for the gamers who would like to have, I would say, more easily positionable keys. So it's up to you which buttons you will use. And here, by the way, we have also braided cable, which is also quite sturdy. And do not forget that this keyboard also houses here the USB, so you can plug some additional equipment without going to the main CPU, let's say. So this keyboard is available. You can get it in any good electronics shop. Of course, I will be happy to hear your opinion. And thank you for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video review as usual. Bye.